Are you tired of digging through a messy Gmail inbox every day? Learn to auto-label incoming emails in under 2 minutes. I'll show you how to set up a filter that automatically applies a label to emails from a specific sender. Just follow these 9 simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar. Enter the criteria for the emails you want to label, such as the sender's email address. Now click on Create Filter to proceed. In the filter options, click on Apply the Label. Then click the Choose Label drop-down menu. Select an existing label or click New Label to create one. Optionally, check Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations to label existing emails that match the filter. Finally, click on Create Filter to save your new label rule. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.